Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back again with this Sonam Kapoor inspired makeup look. One of Sonam Kapoor inspired makeup look was up on my channel 2 days ago, and if you have not watched that video, I'll link in the description box below and also at the end of the video. Make sure you check them out also. And I told you guys I'll do another Sonam Kapoor inspired look by this week, and here I am now. And without any further ado, now let's get straight into the video to see how to get this look. I've prepped my skin just before this video, so I'm going in straight with this Benefits Professional Primer and going over on my T-zone. This is to remove the pores on my T-zones. And next for the foundation, I'm mixing up Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation together and mixing it on my face. I really think the mixture of this both foundation gives extremely full coverage, extremely flawless skin, and that is what Sonam Kapoor has on her skin. So that's what we are going for now. And I'm just dabbing it all over my skin and blending it well. And mixing the both formula together create a very nice dewy finish skin. It don't give a really matte finish, it gives a very nice healthy glow dewy finish to the entire look. Then for concealer, I'm also mixing the Illegal Pre Concealer and also the NARS Cream Radiant Concealer together. And this mixture of this concealer is going to give me super full coverage, and they are going to brighten up my under areas as well. So I'm going over on my usual areas, which is under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, side of my mouth, and also below my jawlines. The reason why I'm concealing side of my mouth is generally all of us have a dark area around our mouth. So when we conceal them up, it brightens it up so it doesn't look dark. Then I'm blending up all the concealers. And I'm also bringing it to my eyelids too, so that it also prime my eyelids. I don't have to use a separate primer for that. Then as you can see, I'm just dabbing it into the skin. I'm not dragging it forward. So make sure you dab it into the skin, because when you dab it into the skin, it would really reduce the cakiness of the concealer and also the thickness of the concealer. They really makes them blend into your skin and just looks like your skin is flawless. Then to set the concealers in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Compact Powder to set the under eye areas and also the areas where I went on with my concealers. The reason why I use matte is because Sonam Kapoor's under eye area and the other highlighted area look quite matte. So I really wanted to go into this, and I wanted to use highlighter to highlight the areas to give that nice glow. Then I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer and bronzing up my forehead, my jawlines, and also side of my nose. I'm not bronzing or contouring the side of my cheekbones because Sonam Kapoor doesn't have any contouring on cheekbones. It was just all about blusher contouring. Then to contour the cheekbones with the blusher, I'm using the L'Oreal blusher in the shade Sandalwood Pink. And as you can see, the color is really beautiful. The color is really nice pinky shade if you want a really nice kind of pinky tone, and that is what Sonam Kapoor has on her face. So I'm really going over just as contouring. So as you can see, I'm not blushing it on the apple of my cheeks. I'm going over on my cheekbones so that it gives a very nice contouring look, but not with a bronzer. This is with a blusher. Then moving into the eyes, I'm using the Morphe 35F palette for this entire eye look. So for a nice transition shade, I'm using this shade over here and blending it on my crease. Actually, you can't see this color much on the screen over here because it looks very light. But then this would give a very nice transition shade when you're working with other darker colors on your crease as well. Then I'm moving into this darker brown shade over here and blending it on my crease. So as you can see, they blend very nicely. They don't look harsh on my crease because I've already blended the other shade on my eyelids, and they've blended very nicely all together. Then I'm taking this shimmery pink shade and going over on my eyelids. So this is what Sonam Kapoor had on her eyelid. She had a very nice pink shimmery, it was not a Barbie pink kind of thing. It was very nice soft shimmery pink, and that is what I chose over here. So I'm just going over with this shade on my eyelids. Then I'm lining my eyes using my NYX Slide On pencil. As you can see, I'm just tight lining my eyes and lining my eyes It was just moderately thick. It was not anything too thin, it was not anything too thick, and you don't have to worry to make it really perfect because we are going to smoke it out, we are going to blend it out. Then I'm using this brush over here and just smudging out the eyeliner. So Sonam Kapoor has a very thin winged effect on the outer corner of the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to smudge it over and bring it slightly, very slightly to the outer corner. Then again I'm going over with the black eyeliner and going into very near to my lashes just to make sure the black shade doesn't get all smudged out. And then I'm taking an angled brush and taking the black shade over here and going over just near my lash band and just smudging it over slightly on the outer corner to give a very nice fake wing effect as what Sonam Kapoor has on eye look. And then I'm using the same eyeliner to go on my waterline. Just to prevent the eyeliner to be very harsh on the waterline, I'm just smudging it out using a smudging brush. Then I'm going over with this pink shade that I went on my eyelids on my lower lash line so that it gives a very nice and blended effect on my lower lash line. Then again I'm smudging everything out so that it looks nice and blended together. Now I'm taking the IWC highlighter palette and taking this pink shade over here and highlighting inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm brushing on my brows with a spoolie so that it looks very nice and stay in a place. Now I'm filling in my brows with the Anastasia Deep Brow Pro Matte. This is an amazing brow gel. They look amazing. They just makes your entire eyebrow stays in place all day. After I fill them up, I'm highlighting the brow bones using this shade over here in the same IWC palette. And then I'm going in with this mink lashes which has a very natural effect to it. So Sonam Kapoor definitely looks like she's wearing lashes, but then it was not anything heavy, it was not anything dramatic, it was very natural. So I'm going over with a lash, something like that. Then to highlight, I'm using the NYX Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sunbeam and highlighting using my fingers. And I think the best way to use liquid illuminators is just use your fingers to highlight them. Then again I'm going over with the same blusher just to intensify the blusher because Sonam Kapoor has the blusher really intense on her cheekbones. So I just wanted to intensify the color more and I'm going over again. And now to line my lips, I'm using Kylie's lip liner in the shade Candy K. I'm lining my lips and also filling in my lips with the same lip pencil. I really like to do things this way when I'm using a lip liner because if you're using just your lip liner on your outer corner, it's going to look very harsh and very different sometimes. So I would always fill them up on my entire lips and then I would go over on my lipstick. And this would also make a lipstick to stay more longer. Then for the lipstick, I'm going over with the Sarah Rose lipstick in the shade 235. And that's how the look turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, watching me recreating Sonam Kapoor's look, and I really enjoy recreating this look and I really like the way it turned out. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because I wanted to make loads of celebrity inspired makeup look like this, and you can let me know in the comment box below, or you can even DM me on Instagram telling me what look you wanted to see next. And I think that's all for now. See you guys in my next video. Bye.